Hello, young explorers. Today we're going on an exciting adventure back in time to the Ice Age. Can you imagine a world covered in giant ice sheets where incredible creatures roamed? That was the Ice Age. It was a long time ago, and the Earth looked very different then. The Ice Age was a period of time when the Earth's temperature dropped dramatically. This caused the ice at the North and South Poles to grow larger and larger, spreading out to cover huge parts of the planet. These massive ice sheets, some taller than mountains, crept across the land, changing everything in their path. The Ice Age wasn't just one single event, though. It was actually a series of icy periods called glacials that happened over millions of years. The last glacial period began about 115,000 years ago and ended around 11,000 years ago. That's a long time for ice to rule the Earth. During these glacial periods, the Earth's climate would swing between colder and warmer phases. Sometimes the ice sheets would grow larger and other times they would retreat. But throughout the Ice Age, the planet was much colder than it is today. Well, now let's uncover some fun facts about this fascinating time. Did you know that during the Ice Age, the sea level was much lower than it is today? That's because so much water was frozen in those giant ice sheets. In fact, there was so much less water that a land bridge called Beringia connected Asia and North America. This allowed animals and even humans to cross between the continents. Another amazing fact is that many animals we know today actually lived during the Ice Age, but they looked a little different. Woolly mammoths, with their thick fur coats and long curved tusks, roamed the frozen landscapes. Giant sloths, bigger than any sloth alive today, lumbered through the forests. And saber-toothed cats, with their enormous fangs, were fearsome predators. Imagine yourself back in the Ice Age. What would it be like? Well, bundle up because it would be incredibly cold. The landscape would be a mix of icy tundra, snowy plains, and forests of coniferous trees like pine and spruce. The air would be dry and crisp, and the silence would be broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the trees or the cracking of ice. Despite the harsh conditions, life found a way to thrive. Animals adapted to the cold with thick fur coats, layers of fat, and unique behaviors. They huddled together for warmth, migrated in search of food, and even hibernated to survive the harshest winters. The Ice Age was a time of great challenges, but also a time of incredible resilience and adaptation.